Our next transaction is of 9 January 2020 and it says purchase following items from Mr. Majid. Now, purchase invoice will be entered in exactly the same way as we have entered earlier. The only change is the vendor is new. So I'll go to PeachTree and click on enter bills and click on new bills. Now here we don't have Majid. So it is our third vendor in the list. So I'll click on new and V300 and vendor name is Majid. Now I've explained to you earlier that whenever you purchase from a vendor, it is not an expense. Normally, if you are in a trading business, whatever you purchase from the vendor is definitely the stock items. So we will enter in that case, it is inventory. Now there is no opening balance for it. I'll click on save and close. Yes. Now let's select the vendor V300 and the date is 9 January. So 9 January and the invoice number, let's say 3002, and let's enter the items now. Corolla windscreen 50, 12,000. Corolla windscreen 50, 12,000 is our unit price, which is automatically suggested. So this makes the total to 600,000. It's accurate. Now second item is Civic headlights. Civic headlights and quantity is 30. Quantity is 30 and Civic headlights rate is 35,000. This makes the total to 1050. And my last one is Suzuki filters. So quantity is 100 Suzuki filters and 250 is our rate. So before finally entering, let's just see one time that the totals are correct. All okay. Now click on save. So this is how we entered the same purchase invoice with a new vendor.